Alright, so we're gonna replace the lock. We gotta get this bolts out right here. Get these two bolts out there. And there's nothing on the other side, so we good. So I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. I got this lock right here from Walmart. It's two keys you need, key for the in and a key for the out. That's the one I'm gonna be replacing. I got from Walmart. This right here. All the screws. Right here. That's all the stuff that comes with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do this. So let me go ahead and get this one taken apart by taking them two bolts out, and then I'm gonna take out these two bolts right here. This is the directions here. So if yours don't come with the directions, maybe somebody took it out, maybe it was a return. These are the directions here. But I don't need that. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking it apart. So as you can see, I got the two little screws from right here. That's them right there. And that's the longer screw that went in here. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other one out. And then the lock should be able to come straight out. Okay, it's out. That's how it look right there. That's a screw that went in between there and there. And this right here sits on this. Goes right in there on the slot. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and try to pull it out from the other side right here. I'll go ahead and try to pull it out. Let me go ahead and do that now. Okay, got the other side out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and push it out. Push the lock piece out right there. So that's how you remove it, easy. I'm gonna go ahead, slide the new one in. That sticker. I'm gonna get the screws in and start putting the new one in. Okay, y'all, got it on there. Gotta make sure that little pin is in there, sitting in that slot. You see right there. Gotta make sure it's sitting in. See right there? So you could be able to turn the lock when you turn the key to push the lock out. So let me go ahead and get them screws in and get this back piece in. The inside, put it in, put the screws in, and I'll be back. Also, this part right here, make sure it's sitting in there, and it's gonna go sideways. It's gonna go sideways. You see it right there? It's gonna go sideways. This piece right here can go sideways just like that in there. All right, y'all. So I got both bolts in there. Got one in here already. So go ahead and put this one in and get it started. But I'm gonna show you that it works. Got the key in. So let's see, there you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it all tightened down. But that's basically how you do it. I already replaced the lock. Okay, everything is on. All the screws in. Only thing you need is a Phillips head screwdriver, and you're good. So now we got the new lock on. Just make sure it works from this side too as well. There you go. That's how you do it, folks.